Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet eyes. What's your fog today, Mama?
I'll take yourself one. What are you doing? Oh, next. Okay.
Okay, next.
Oh, next line. Only two. Are you sure you put two?
Yeah, what do?
Okay, go. Put a little bit of yeah, space. Okay, go. It should be right next to each other.
Right next to each other.
Okay, when you're done with the second line, you go inside Naha because it's getting super cold. Just right. Hey, you need to move a little bit fast because it's getting super cold.
Okay.
You might freeze. Hey, that's not enough. Okay, go.
What? You put 4.
It's okay. Okay, go. Next.
Put 4?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Okay. I'll just put 2.
Okay.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Ba, 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 ba.
Next.
Airplane. Wants to ride an airplane. Airplane. Papa, which airport is it in? It's so near.
Stuttgart.
Stuttgart Airport.
Yeah. Okay, last one. It's getting super cold. I need to go inside too. And come back later. Okay, just stick it here. Okay, go. Oh, wash your hands. Oh, bye-bye. Good job.
Mr. Ribs. Mama. Mama.
Look at that. Look at that fog. Oh my god. What are calamansi? Good morning. Good morning.
Can I have my 10 minutes, please? This one, that's just a new 4. We don't have all of this except for the octopus and stingray. We don't have the starfish and the new. I mean, only the seahorse. That's just fish. Let's go back to sea animal toys. Wait. Oh yeah.
What is that? Stop now.
Checking for cheap ones. Oh.
Cheap ones. How cheap is cheap for you? Huh? How cheap is cheap for you?
What is
When it's €6, is it cheap or expensive?
cheap? Because we ordered a 7 or 8 one.
What do you mean?
We ordered a 7 euro one. What? And an 8 euro one. See?
It's €20. Give me your €20. How can I buy that? How can I buy this tree? Oh, this tree. How? Give me your €20.
I'll tell you. You don't have euro. I have like 2 pennies or coins, and it doesn't equal 20.
Where is it? It's not
inside
enough
my
though.
bank.
Huh? It's in your bank?
It's in my bank. Wait,
Where's your bank?
wait. It's inside the room. Come.
No.
Let's count how many euro it is. I think
That's only 2 cents, not 2 euro. Aray.
you're so cute. With your very, very squishy, chubby body. So easy to squish him with his fat body.
Yeah.
Not fat, chubby.
I love squeezing Papa's body too.
Look at how cute am I.
You're the cutest.
There.
Ang cute sa Papa.
Why cute si Papa?
Are you taking a video?
No?
Oh, I wish you were taking a video.
I'm joking, yeah.
What? Yay! Oh my goodness, I love this very cute chubby capybara.
Oh my God, baby.
That's a lot.
Look at tummy is. This big squishy tummy is. Look at how squishy his face is. Look at this.
Look at it, yung bata ni Smith.
You're so cute.
Matamaan tayo na. No, naging earthbender.
free. This is for living in Germany.
Yeah, there's a bus.
Cheese.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're going to meet Lolo, Lola, and Tito, Tita.
Dead bug. Sad.
Stop it na. The bus is coming na. Cherry blossom trees.
Taking pictures of the cherry blossom. I'm just going to run and go to the lots and walk to their construction buildings and flip them over.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3. Yung hospital namin. Nawala na yung mga bahay dito. Ginawa ng parking area. So, mga bahay-bahay nilang mga construction workers. Wala na yung apple tree and pear tree.
0.
Kasi ginagawa yung aming hospital. Yan yung bagong building sa harap, 2 lane. Yung helipad, entrance. Ito yung sa kabilang side. Yan na yung magiging mukha niya pag natapos. Yan. Parang garden sa taas. Parang park. Doon ang bus station. This is the biggest Christmas tree here in our area. In our hospital. All year round lang siyang may dahon. Yung iba wala ng dahon.
Okay, lang cheese lang gusto niya. Normal cheese.
Saan kami galing kanina?
Wenn wir oben sind, müssen wir von der Mauer runterspringen.
So,
Hochkanal.
yeah.
Hoch.
Oh, nice. Let's go. Ang taas. Step ba? Oh my God. Kaya mo, tita. Dari o, may manok. Dari o. Come here.
What? I got it.
There. With the red building.
Ach, hier unten?
Straight, yeah, straight open. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh no.
What even is it?
Oh, it's escaping. Oh no, the police will catch us. It's not allowed. Tignan mo naman tong dagdan namin na dinaanan, no?
Wait.
So,
Let me hold it.
yeah. Pinanggalingan namin. Hindi mo na makita yung next. Oh. Yeah, you told us there's no chicken in Germany? No, that's not true. Here, look. There's chickens.
Chicks.
Yeah.
I think that one just laid some eggs. No, we just missed the butterfly.
Oh, let's go na.
Hey, come in.
Be careful. Come na. Come na. Oh my God. Lapit gisa. Come na. Too hard. Pero tinanggal. Yan, that's the bridge ako. We're done with our interview yesterday. Did you get it? Yeah. Good job. High five. Get one.
It's a chicken. Salmon.
Meron din ako dito.
What? There! I can see it! I can see it!
And the second one.
Second one.
Okay, yeah. Go.
Hold it properly. Go.
Okay.
Oh.
How many sauce?
What's this? This one wala oh. Oh, meron. Hi guys, we're sa Würzburg. Nandito kami sa Running Sushi Sapporo. There. Konti lang.
I run out of shrimpins, then I'll get it.
Yeah. When you run out of, okay, later.
Yummy, masarap to. Ito daw. Tsaka yung chicken, pansit, everything. We are here at Running Sapporo, Running Sushi. Sa Würzburg. Diba?
That one?
Oh. Tikman mo muna. Yummy. Thumbs up, Miggy. Look. We're going back to Frankfurt. Sarap nitong beef. Pataasan kami ni Abby. There's more.
How did you eat this green sushi thing?
More. May satay pa sila pero I will not get some more.
That's jelly.
May ente or duck meat. Kaya may parang butsi-butsi. Enjoy na enjoy din yung bata sa likod. Oh. Ito may pa-heart-heart silang style ng ano. Ayan, butsi nilang laki-laki. Oh. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung sa Bregenz. Mas maraming choices. Ano to? Ano to? Nakatakip. Ano yan? Hindi ko pa rin buksan mamaya. Oo, ito tigda-dalawa lang. Oh, may french fries pa sila. Huwag na yan, french fries. Mabusog ka na yan. Ito parang may ano sila, gyoza. Parang gyoza yan, Hal. Yan.
Gusto ng mga bata.
Oo nga, tuwan-tuwa yung bata. Yummy nito, thumbs up. Hanggang 10 teller lang ako ito. 2, 4, 6, 8. May dalawa pa ako. Si Abby Unlimited. Kailan ka na? 10. Imigit ako lang. There's more. Okay, pang 10th ko na plate. Edamame. Manol. Manol ako nito nun sa aeroplano. Hindi pala kinakain yung pala. Yung beans lang sa loob. Pang 10th ko na yan. Sorry. 15. More. Si Miggy 3 lang. Itasan mo yan dyan. Tapos isip-sipin mo yung palabas yung buto. Ito hindi ito kinakain. Makunat yan. Si Miggy ay. Hindi nakita. Siya makita. Alam, may castle dun sa may ano, wala, oh. Pundo. Ano ba yan dito? Hindi. Dilim na. Miggy. Ang lucky. Lucky. Come here. Naiwanan kami ng train na di magantay kami ulit. Oh no! There's a tram! Look at this, oh! There's a tram! Come here. Look at this is ano, oh. Come here. Say hi. Oh, let's go na to Papa. Eat kami muna sa McDonald's with Kuya Uno and Tito Titas.
He does like McDonald's. Oh, how many? No, it's just a poker.
No cellphone when eating na ha. Hi Kuya Uno. Did you have fun? Okay.
Because the poker face got lost.
Hi guys.
I was just
Smile. Miggy smile.
Hey, look at this. Look at. Do you know the secret?
Yeah, hi.
Look. Look at heart. Why are you happy meal?
There's Flapline Apple. From Al Hayat to Germany. Yeah. From Saudi to Germany. Hi.
That's yummy.
Yummy.
Laki pala nito.
Miggy loves the sour cream. Because it's sour, it's a little bit sour.
This is long with sour cream. I like sour cream and onion cream. Yo. I love onion.
Papa, sabi mo.
Hi, Papa.
Look, that's all yours. Hi guys,
Hi,
come
guys.
here daw, coffee drinking.
Sandro, come! I want you. We're going back on a bug hunt.
Upset kaya?
Dito kami sa garden nila tita. Come guys, in available. Ayan, nag-bake si tita ng malaking cake.
Hali kayo, cafe taringkin.
Hali daw na. Gora na. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, will we make a vlog?
No, it's just a small video.
You can also say something.
Okay, where are we?
Hi guys, we're in Lola Green's house.
Garden.
Yeah, and Mama, take a video of my insects. Look, we caught so many insects today. We caught a spider, a few ants, and including a green spider. He's hiding somewhere. Oh, he's right here, and a shiny beetle right there, and a very old-looking and mature-looking beetle right here, and a caterpillar right here.
Oh yeah.
He's behind this leaf.
Yummy.
And what are you going to eat?
Danke.
Why sweet
Danke,
chicken?
danke.
Pork.
What poop?
Let's chow.
Pork.
Yan, dessert
Or we will
time.
check. Do we still have the white
Si Tito na yung naghuhugas. Tita doon.
that we bought in
Eat.
$8 in your photo shop?
Yums.
Do we still have that? Yeah, I think we can use it.
Oh no.
Go, go. Look at me. No! Eat. Eat it. How was it? No. Yummy.
This is just for dinner. No rice.
What will you say to Papa?
Thank you.
Papa, come home.
Papa, come home.
What's that? What do you call that?
Quick, quick.
Quick, quick. Thumbs up? How many thumbs up?
1 billion. Look at my chicken dinner.
Come on, eat.
Oh,
Okay,
brown
go.
down. Okay.
Pick it up.
Go na.
Go.
Uy.
Hey.
Hurry up kasi. Eat. There.
I'll take a bite.
How was it?
It's the same good as Nana's.
How about your thumbs up or what?
Wait,
Thumbs up?
wait.
Again.
Is this a wishing?
No.
This is a hair.
Take a bite. Yeah.
Big bite, big bite.
Faster. Wow.
It's the same good as Nana's.
What will you say to Papa?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Türkisfarbene Jacke, rotes Sweatshirt, schwarze Jogginghose. Bitte kommen Sie zum Haupteingang.
Video. They're standing in one leg.
Smile. Wow. Ito, Papa. Papa, look.
Look.
I will eat pizza and milk.
It's a mini pizza. Rice der Welt und entdeckt werde Tiere wohnen. Magnus Weidmann.
Okay, continue.
What's your most favorite page niya there?
The fish. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby.
Bye, baby.